Welcome back once again. Today I came up with another important information and also a very important task being in an artificial intelligence, being in computer science. Nowadays, the new trend that is very important that every computer engineer or maybe any other field must know how the trend is changing from AI to agentic AI. So today I'm going to show you how we are going to work out using an AI agent, how you can make your system and your work into automations, where you need 10% to do a single task. Now with one click, that everything can be done with automations. So today, being in this area, you have to get updated yourself wherever you are. That is the challenges that we have. And often, to be on the field and to be on the market, you have to be very equipped yourself skillfully, technically. You should be very sound. Then only people will know that, yes, that person is very very active and have a very skillful in every area that you are going for. So it is very important. I'm from AI, artificial intelligence, specialized in NLP, but I cannot say that I'm too specialized, but I'm still learning. So I'm trying to make it this large language model into an automations. So things need to be changes. Now you should know how to use all these artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, generative AI, large language models. All this can be now converted into automation. That can be a very powerful tools nowadays. Through this, you can able to make your own startup, and you can able to earn a lot of monies. My students, a lot of my students who have really learned from me, they have already started earning many good projects from different agents, and then they are doing a very good business using this agentic AI. Okay, let us not waste time. Let us go ahead so that I can show you, from scratch. Today, I'm just going to show you how the AI agents work, and how the conversations can be done. So let us go ahead without wasting much time. Keep following. This is the flow which I was just, doing myself and practicing here. A lot of things and a lot of tools. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add, you if you don't know how to install anything, let me know. You can text me, then I'll respond you. Every steps that you need to learn or you want and suggestion from my end, I'm most welcome to help you all. Okay, now what you do, you click on add and go to your workflow, and you can go to my project. Now when you go to the my project, you'll have two options. This is very important. These two options are very important. One, then your work that can be done with using your AI. It's very easy. The thing is that you have to know the proper prompt and what type of automations you want to make it. Either you want to make an automations based on food ordering, maybe you want to make an automations based on hiring, HR hiring and something, candidate, or you can make an automations based on your CV, automation CV. Lot of things you can do. What is a really highly demand on prosperity, that your AI will help you to build out and give you in a guidance in a proper way. In one click you can do it. But what I want to emphasize today is not using with AI but from the scratch. So go look very carefully so that you can able to understand all the points in details. So I hope when you do this, you must keep your laptop along with you so that you can able to walk thoroughly. So let us go ahead. So I'm going to click out here and type. Let me put out here my picture. I'll type as AI agent. So now if you type here in this search bottom, you'll find it AI agent. Just click out here, and what are the credential out here you can able to put. If you want to require a specific output format, then you can click this on, and you can get your requirement output in what type of format you want to see. But as of now, I'm just putting as it is for just to make you all the basic things that you should understand. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to close this, I'm going to cut out here, and you'll find this type of platform. See, this is the AI agent, and this is your chat message trigger where you are going to send some message to the AI, and AI is going to respond to you, because AI is going to add you like a brain and also an instruction. So you have three options out here. You can see chat model, which is going to act as a brain, and memory to store whatever conversations you are going to have. That will give you that updation of that what the conversation it will store in the memory, and you have a tools. Now what I'm doing, see, if I type, suppose I'm going to chat it out here, if I want to chat this message, so see, open chat, and I'm typing here, say hello. See, if I type this hello message, it will run, it will execute, and it will go to AI agent, looking this answer hello. Now see, it started running. It is sending the message properly, but AI agent doesn't know what is that hello, because he don't have that brain to think that message that he was receiving from the user for the user input. Now see here, I type hello, and the message is coming error in workflow. Why? Because we have not added the brain. You're not able to think out. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a brain out here, which is called model. You can be model, large language model, any type of large language model you can add. As of now, I'm going to add Gemini. If you want to add Open AI, if you want to add Open AI chat model, you can add AI Open chat model and just close it. Then you can add this AI Open chat model. Okay. If you don't want to add this, okay, I'm as of now I'm showing you with using Gemini, because Gemini often give free and you are free APIs, and the costs are not so, yeah, it's a free use also. So Google Gemini chat model. So I'm clicking out here. Once if you click in the beginning, they will ask you to add your credential, set up your credential. Okay, since my credential is already set up, and that's why you have to you I don't want to go ahead. If you don't know how to do, just have to click set up a credential, then you have to add the host, and this is the host, and you have to add the API. How to get this API key? What you can do is you can open this in your Google Chrome. You can write Google Gemini API key. Now, if you type this, you will find this here. This is the use Gemini API key, and then you can click here, and you can form the key. You can generate the key. You know, uh, based on this, you can able to generate a key. Then after that, see, I have already done this, so I don't want to show you this one. Just if you click here, you know how to add your API key. Since I have already done the API key, since this is the API key of my this one Gemini, Google Gemini. So what I'm going to do, in this way you can able to add your key. See here, go to your API key, or you can get API key. You can click here. So I don't want to show that. If you have doubt on that, you can text me. So what I'm going to do out here is I have already done this. So my credential is already there. So if you want me to add again, see, if I close it out here, see, there's showing error. See, that means I have to add a credential. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add set up a credential. Now if I add here set up a credential, see, it is already open out here. Now what you have to do, create or view a Gemini API. You can create or view. Okay, previous one Gemini also you can create, because I have already created. So I have this API Gemini, so which I'm creating. I'm copying this, then bringing out here in the what to say, the models, which we are going to add it out here. So what I'm going to do is uh, hosting the setting up the API key Gemini. So if I click out here, now I'm going to add the API key out here. See, now I have add the API key out here. So after that, you save. Once you save, will show you credentials successfully created. That means your workflow of the brain is working fine. That means your API is giving you the good, it's updated. Now if you see here, you can see here model. You can use Gemini, different types of model you can use. Flash, slide, you can use this. These are the things which you can use. They are giving free, of course. You can use anyone. So as of now, I'm using this Gemini 2.5 Flash. So I'll click out here, and now see here, there is no any error now. Now what I'm going to do, going to type the message open chat. Previously I have written hello. Again I'm going to write hello. Now the AI agent has the brain, so I'm typing here hello, and you can see the execution. See, it is taking the execution. It will execute taking the input through AI agent, and it is giving the message. See, how can hello, how can I help you? Can you see? Hello, how can I help you? It is messaging you. Now, if I say, uh, uh, say, uh, hi, I am I am Enjula Uchoi. Suppose I'm typing. If I wants to know, say hi, I'm Enjula Uchoi. I'm typing here another message. Hi, I'm Enjula Uchoi. Again, it is generating the AI agent. Now I say hello Enjula. Nice to meet you. How can I assist you today? Now, if I ask who is Enjula Uchoi, okay, I'm asking this. Who is Enjula Uchoi? Though he is responding me, but I'm asking who is Enjula Uchoi. Okay, now this AI agent will create. Now he is getting confused. Who is the? He's saying she is a member of Bharatiya Janata Party country, and see it is giving who is, he don't know who is Angela Uchoi. Okay, he is giving his Angela Uchoi is a Indian politician or something like that. So he is not knowing that. So what I have to do, I'll add the memory out here, and I'll add simple memory so that he can able to, so that I can store. You can add the length of this memory to max. You can go for, if you select out here, you can use till 10. If you want to extend, as of now I'm using 10. So what you can do is just click out here. See, now here the memory has been added. Fine, the memory has been added here. Now I'll say, uh, say hello. Okay, so it is generating here, message is passing to AI agent. Now AI agent will use his brain, which is called your Gemini, is acting as a brain, and then is giving you a hello, how can I help you? Now say, uh, 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 I am Enjula Uchoi. Okay, I'm typing again, executing this text, trying to show you much more so that you can able to understand. See in the message. See here. Hello, Angela Uchoi. It is nice to meet you. How can I assist you today? See, it's no. See how it is generating. Now you say, if I ask, uh, who is uh, Angela Uchoi? Now they will try to read based on me, and they'll try to execute this. See the message is going through and generating all those things, and it is running in this AI agent, and he's trying to tell, see, yes, I know, say, hello, according to what you just told me, you are Angela Uchoi. See now, because in memory it is already stored, who am I? Now he's not well, according to what you just told me, you are Angela Uchoi. Now you are saying this is the thing, how it has been trained, and it's giving the answer. Fine. This is the way how we can create an AI agent in a very powerful way. And uh, nowadays, this is getting highly popular, and I would suggest, being a computer science engineer, whatever you maybe feel, I would suggest that you should get equip yourself. And it is very important that you start improving your skill in every activities, whatever you do. Try to learn those things in a proper manner. So if you like to have this type of skillful hand learning skill, for you can contact me. There will be a one-to-one session, and you can able to join my online session as well, so that you can follow up my channel as well, so that day-to-day basis, what is the start, I'm going to upload every step, how we are going to make an agentic AI one after the other, so that you can able to learn. So keep following, so that you can able to skill up yourself. If you want to learn online, it is very costly. So I'm teaching you free of course. Maybe if you want to make it more advanced to this field, then I'm also taking one course session, not smart costly. You can also enroll onto that. So with this message, it's a very things, and keep following my channel, and look forward that I can teach you more. Thank you everyone. Thank you.